Hey creative spirits, welcome to another exciting adventure on Cali Ripple's Designs, where colors flow and magic happens right before your eyes. We have got a fantastic technique lined up that will turn a simple puddle of colors into a spectacular art, which is perfect for beginners to try. So grab your apron, roll up your sleeves, and let's get ready to pour some personality onto those canvases. So this is 30 by 40 centimeters canvas and I'm going to do a Dutch board bloom but using fluid acrylic paints. It is super beginner friendly and easy to master. For this technique, I want to layer the colors first in the center in form of a puddle and will blow them out to make a flower or a bloom. So without further ado, let's pour. For base, I'm using a mixture of King's Blue and Titanium White. I'm using a spatula to spread the paint towards the corners of the canvas. Now using blow dryer to spread the paint further to cover the sides. Many people use blow dryer for spreading the paint, but I don't know why, but I'm not very comfortable using it. I prefer using spatula, palette knife, or just tilting the canvas. Perhaps it's a personal choice. As long as you completely cover it with the paint, there is no right or wrong way to do it. So I'm starting with the puddle. The first color I'm using is greenish blue. The first color I use is always a lighter or darker shade of my base color. I just like it that way. Next color is cyan blue mixed with a little titanium white. Next is sap green mixed with a little cyan blue. Next I'm adding metallic magenta to add some contrast and extra flair to the palette. Next I'm adding copper on the top, giving it a good mix. Sometimes when paints are sitting for long, especially the metallics, they tend to settle down. So it is better to add a marble ball in the bottle and roll it gently to mix them well, torching it to pop any bubbles present. Let's blow it out. Well, the blowout shows some beautiful lacing, especially in this part and this part. Interesting cells popping out. Copper showed very interesting lacing here and also in this area. I feel like the petals in this area are larger and kind of blooming, while here they need to be fixed. I don't want to use the blow dryer here because I might lose this beautiful lacing here. So I'm going to use the straw to correct it as much as I can. Let's see how much I can correct it. I'm pretty much satisfied now, but I feel like there is something missing here. If you saw closely, when I blew out, my metallic shifted more towards the right side of the painting. Left side looks really beautiful. I love it, but it is still missing my copper. So what we can do now is that use a little toothpick or any pointed thing and dip it in paint and make some streaks here and there, blending it with the design already there. I'm using a barbecue stick here. This way I'm not messing with the design but still getting my copper embedded there. I have seen some people using palette knife for that. It is your personal choice, whatever you are comfortable with. What you say? If you also do the same sometimes, let me know in the comment section below which tool you like to use. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. I have many videos on my channel in which you can watch me doing ring pour, swiping, Dutch pour, dirty pour and much more. We'll see you next week with another interesting adventure. Keep creating and pouring out your emotions onto your canvas. Bye!